Hey everyone, this is Jesse Garcia, Diamond Leader with Live Good in the USA here in Chicago, Illinois. Just wanted to give a quick shout out to Dr. Sugen, Riyadi, and Hardy for reaching diamond level with Live Good. Team Indonesia, Team SGR, you guys are doing an amazing job, amazing work. Keep up the great work. I hope to see you guys soon in a Zoom. Again, congratulations. And for your uplines, Rita and Lily, congratulations. Keep doing an amazing job. You guys are helping people, sharing the great news with Live Good and helping people change their lives. This is an amazing opportunity. Amazing for many countries, but Indonesia especially. I want to just say thank you for everything you've been doing. And keep going, keep sharing. Love you guys.
Congratulations, Indonesia, Coach Sugen Riyadi, Coach Rita, Coach Lily. More diamonds to come. More people will get rich, especially in your team. And also, more dollars. Again, congratulations, and hope we'll see you soon. And I hope many people will help this business, then spread the opportunity to all the people of Indonesia and all over the world. Again, congratulations. You did a great job. Be consistent. Keep it up, guys. Congratulations.
Hello LB team, salamat pagi. This is your Crown Diamond Coach Fernan Santiago. Thank you for your leadership, for your commitment, for your love to your downline. And congratulations sa lahat po ng new rank up sa mga bronzes, silvers, gold, platinum, lalong-lalo na po sa ating mga diamond, no, sa Indonesia. Kay Dr. Sugeng and his diamond, congratulations and thank you for your commitment.